We are partner in the UV Super Hub project, that is a sister project of TIMEPAC. And today we participated in the workshop organized by TIMEPAC at the Piemonte region Skyscraper. And we had the opportunity to identify clear opportunities of collaboration in the field of urban scale energy assessment, working on archetypes and digital platforms to support this kind of analysis. And also we are collaborating in defining the indicators, key performance indicators for the next generation EPC. In particular, TIMEPAC is participating in the preparation at European level of a joint workshop agreement on this topic. So we'll follow in the next period to close cooperating in those fields.